The Cumberland County Public Library and Information Center is changing its catalog to give customers wider access to materials found in libraries across the state of North Carolina. Brian Manning, the library's deputy director, explains how the new NC Cardinal system will expand and enhance library services when it goes live in mid-December.
NC Cardinal is a consortium, a group of libraries that have joined together. The state library has coordinated right now 16 libraries, and it'll be 19 libraries by the end of next year that share resources. That makes it possible for you to both use your library card at one of the other libraries, but also you can place holds and have that material sent to you from libraries from Asheville to the Outer Banks to come here so you can check them out through your library system. What it works is the state library has set up a UPS system where we would be a campus on the state library's UPS account. And that's the same with all the other 19 locations. And as the holds come in, we'll process them and ship those books out through that UPS account to every other library, and it'll be the same back to us. What we're going to do is expand our collection, in essence, from the 500,000 items we have to about 2 million items. If you can't find an item in our catalog, you have the ability to change the location on our catalog system to search the entire consortium. So we think that this will be a benefit to our customers, but just broadening what they have available to be brought to them rather than having to go through the old-fashioned interlibrary loan and wait and go through that process. The way we've worked it as a group, as you place a hold, first we'll try to collect those items from our collection. It may well be in Cumberland County. If it's not there, the hold request goes out onto the system. Every library waits about 2 or 3 days so they have enough items to ship back, and then they'll ship them to us. So the difference between getting a hold through the Cumberland County system or from all the other locations is not much different. Libraries, modern libraries, operate on software called an integrated library system, and every library in the world now has one of those. What we have to do is clean up our database, which we've done. We then have to transfer, matching field to field, from our current software to the new software, which is called Evergreen. And all the information gets migrated and imported into the new system. Now, there will be a slight inefficiency in that when we migrate on December 12th, we'll stop cataloging new items as of December 2nd. That doesn't affect our customers. On December 9th, we have to freeze our catalog and our circulation while they migrate the last bit of information. So between December 9th and December 12th, our customers might see certain delays and problems with looking up items, but that's why our staff is there to help. We will find the items the customers want. Once in place, we like to plan for the worst and hope for the best. If everything goes as planned, it'll be seamless. Our customers will see a different look to our catalog, and actually it has some interesting features. We'll now have book covers in the catalog when the search responses are returned, and the search engine actually is intuitive, like Google or Bing, that as you type, it starts to anticipate what you want and gives you options below to select. But if it doesn't go well, we're still here as your staff to help as we get the migration in place. Software has a license, and right now we pay a licensing fee for using our current integrated library system software. During the first year of transition, the library will not have to pay a fee to the state library for this. So we'll save money at least completely during the first year. As we move forward, the governance board for this software and the NC Cardinal through the state library will work out a pricing module to distribute the cost of this software over the entire system. So we should see significant savings in the future from not having to pay a standalone integrated library system software license. The customers gain the benefit of, first of all, they'll see book covers. They'll have a wider selection of items. There's a less of a delay between what we'll now be able to ship books back and forth as we would with interlibrary loans. And one of the nice features of the NC Cardinal system is that your library card will now be valid in any other NC Cardinal library. So if you happen to be on business in Forsyth County, which is the next large system joining us, you can go to a Forsyth library, check the materials out on your card. If you don't take them back to Forsyth County and bring them to us, we'll return them for you. So that's a benefit as well. And again, the number of systems are now 19 from Asheville to Albemarle County. We think that this is a great benefit to our system and our customers. With respect to the migration in December and coming into January, if our customers would just show a little bit of patience, just in case there are glitches. But when the system is in full force, I think our customers are going to see a great benefit of the number of items they can check out, the variety of items they can check out, and the ability to travel if they'd like. The closest libraries that are on the NC Cardinal system to us now are Lee County and Wayne County, Goldsboro. But the system keeps growing, and with every year, more libraries will be added to the consortium.